The Fix-It Dad, back again. In today's video, I'm going to be busting up some concrete. This customer called because they wanted to get rid of their existing freestanding tub and shower and make one big shower. 2 shower heads, body sprays, the whole 9 yards. So the first step was to get these water lines out of the slab and into the wall. Please enjoy this video of me busting and cutting a bunch of concrete. Don't forget to like and comment. And please follow for more plumbing content. Thanks for watching The Fix-It Dad.